welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and share a haul with you real quick and give you a look at those four-way folding gift tag holders that I have listed in my Etsy shop real quick at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that if you want to check those out. I did head back to Dollar General on Sunday, and I went by Dollar Tree, and then today I went to Hobby Lobby. And the main reason I wanted to come on is because I wanted to let you know about this sale they've got going on at Hobby Lobby if you haven't already seen. So you can go over there and check it out because it's a really good sale. So I went back to Dollar General. I picked up another pack of these hot cocoa ornaments that I got the other day. Unfortunately, the sale was off, so I had to pay full price, but I still think they're worth $3 so that I would be able to do the hot cocoa bags for my coworkers I was telling y'all about. So I picked that up at Dollar General. I also picked up these candy canes to put down in the sacks, and I can use this window in my junk journal. Really cute with the snowman and then the see-through look of that. So 20 pieces, peppermint flavor, mini candy canes. These were $1. I picked up, what else did I get there? Oh, I got these tags. I thought these were cute and would look good in those journals that I'm going to show you before the end, at the end of the video here. So I got, they had, I think, 4 different designs, and I know there's a glare on this bag. I apologize. We've got, these were $1. So we've got the stocking, we've got the nutcracker, got it right this time, the stacked presents, and the season's greeting tag. I did open these up because I wanted to check the thickness of them, so I'll share that with you real quick. I'm not going to open the other ones, but you can let you see the thickness. These will be super cute in my 4-way folding gift tag holders that I have. A couple of them in my Etsy shop, and probably be making a couple of more. So let's see if I can show you. I like that these are cut out. These could be used as cutouts, tuck spots. Obviously can be used as gift tags, which is the original purpose. But I thought these were really cute. I love that they're cut out. So it looks like you get 3 of each design. 12 count. So we have that pack. Got one of those. I got one of these. We have the bells, the house, the snowman, and the tree. I got 2 of these. I really, really love the gingerbread house. And it has a little glitter on there. I'm not sure if you can see that. All of these have a little bit of glitter on them. I did not notice that on the others. Let's see if the house has glitter. Nope, no glitter on that. So only this package has glitter. So we've got the nutcracker head, the gingerbread, the house, and a snowflake. I'm not crazy about the snowflake, but I love these. So I did get 2 packages of those. And then the last thing, no, I got 2 more things there. Picked up these gift boxes. They were $1. They fold over. And I thought these might come in handy for wrapping, or they could be used in my junk journaling as well. Let's see what they look like. So we've got 2 Merry Christmas Cocos. And then we have 2 of these candy cane peppermints. Pretty thick. And obviously you just fold in the ends. So if you wanted to put a gift card or something small in there, you could do that. I paid $1 for those. And then the last thing I got at Dollar General was this pack of Christmas cards, and I just love the gingerbread house. I'm really into gingerbread this year, so these were $2. There was no sale when I was there, but it was okay with me. I just think these are super cute. So I'm not really interested in using them as cards, but sending sweet wishes your way for the happiest holidays. So I paid $2 for those, and there are 6 in there. Then I ran over to Dollar Tree, picked up a couple things there. I got some socks. Here's my current obsession for Christmas. These are knee-highs, gingerbread houses. These were $1.25. And then I also like strawberry shortcake. I have a couple of shirts. Just takes me back to my youth. And these were $1.25 as well. Very cute. Or maybe the socks were $1.50. I think they were $1.50, y'all. And the last thing I got at Dollar Tree were these treat bags. And I got these to put my cocoa ornaments down in for my gifts for my coworkers. So there's 20 in there, and I just love, once again, the gingerbread design. That's what I'm into this year. So that was all Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Today I went to Michael's because I saw someone, and I don't recall who it was when I was watching in the background today, do a haul where the ribbon, the Christmas ribbon, is buy one, get 3 free right now at Michael's. So I'm going to be working on a gingerbread wreath, so I wanted to go over and grab some. So I got the 4 of these. Let me see if I can figure out. Oh, here's the last one. Because if you recall, those little gingerbread men, or man and woman, are pink and blue. So we've got this pink. That'll be good for 2-sided. This blue, that's only 1-sided. We got this cute little rope that I thought would be cute on the girl. It can be used on the boy as well because it's got all those colors in there. It does not shed. And then I got this for the boy wreath. This is like a tinsel type garland type ribbon. Oops, ripped the top off that. Oh well, I'll probably use it all. Nice thickness. So, and these are all, let's see, this is 5/8 inch, 30 feet. This is 1/4 inch, 15 feet. The pink is 1/2 inch, 30 feet. And the blue is 1/2 inch, 20 feet. And I got all 4 of these for $13.99. So that's a really good deal if you're in the market for Christmas ribbon. Get over to Michael's this week and pick you up some. The only other thing I got when I was there, and I also saw this today, and I thought these were so cute. These little bows, and she dumped it out and kind of attempted to count, determined that was over 100 in here. These are little beaded look bows, but they do not bend or anything. I could see these going on a tassel. These could be glued to a card, the front of a journal. I just thought these were super cute. They only had a couple of these left. They do come in a rose, kind of pinkish red color, but I wasn't crazy about the color. I didn't pick those up. These are $9.99, but they were 45% off. And I'm trying to see if they, Ashland Christmas Decorative Filler White Bow is what they're calling this. So, I just thought these were adorable. So, be sure to check that out. So, that's all I've got to share with you for my hauls. I'm going to real quick share with you these flips that I have, these booklets that I have in my Etsy shop. These are gift tag 4-way folding storage, I think is what I call them. Each one of them has a ribbon tie closure. And then they have a variety of pockets. This one has a pocket on the front. Then you can open it up like this. And you've got a pocket in the center. You've got 2 pockets over here on this side. One on the top, one on the bottom. You've got 1 pocket on this side. This side opens, and we've got 2 pockets over here. One at the top, one at the bottom. We've got 2 pockets here. One at the top, one at the bottom. And then we fold out over here, and we've got 2 pockets. Same thing. And we have a belly band here where we have some tags tucked in. You can store all your gift tags here so that when you're ready to put a gift tag on a gift, all you got to do is open this up, pick out the one you want, and you're good to go. So I have these for sale in my Etsy shop. I'll give you a real quick flip through of the other one. If y'all are interested, go over there and check them out. I only have 2 right now. We'll see how they do and if I need to make some more. This is the second one, more classic colors. We've got a pocket on the front, 2 pockets here, a belly band, 2 pockets in the middle on an angle. Over here we've got 4 pockets, 2 on each page. Over here we've got 2 side pockets, and we have a belly band. I'm sorry, a side tuck. That's a side tuck there. Once again, flip, 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 flip. So if you're interested, go check those out. Carla's Craft and Charm on Etsy. My link is in the description box below. As always, I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.